What's up guys, Sal here. So a little over a month ago we saw the first ever real look of the Galaxy Note 10 Plus, courtesy of none other than your boy. And now we have another hands-on look of the Galaxy Note 10 Plus, but this time it's not coming from me, it's coming from someone else. He deleted the tweet, but thankfully beatsbyNeVs reposted it on his Twitter, so here it is, our another real look at the handset. Of course, it doesn't reveal anything new, but it's always interesting to take a look at an unreleased handset, especially of a high caliber device like the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Interestingly, it looks like this photo has been captured from an unreleased iPhone, and beatsbyNeVs is calling it the iPhone 11R. Well, I'm not really sure about that. It could be an Android clone of the iPhone 11R because A, it doesn't look like the rumored design of the 2019 iPhones, and B, it looks like shit. But then again, 2019 iPhones does indeed look like shit. So you never know, this could be the real iPhone 11R. So we have sales numbers for the Q2 of 2019, which shows that Samsung maintained their top position in the smartphone market. In fact, they have extended their gap between them and the number 2 spot Huawei. It looks like Samsung's new mobile strategy is paying off as the Galaxy A and M series are selling really well. Do note that these numbers are for Q2, which means the Huawei ban has no impact on the numbers because the ban happened in Q3. Anyway, the number does look really good both for Samsung and Huawei, except for Apple because their sales are on a decline. But it's not all good news for Samsung either because they took a toll on the net profit. Their smartphone profit is down by 42% compared to last year. The reason for that is the aggressive pricing of the Galaxy A and M series phones, and also their flagships, the Galaxy S10 didn't hold its sales momentum in Q2. The S10 series sold really well in Q1, but it failed to do the same in Q2. Hopefully for Samsung, the Galaxy Note 10 could help elevate the profit margin higher than what it is right now. Samsung has made the Galaxy Tab S6 official today. It has a 10.5-inch Super AMOLED display and comes with the Snapdragon 855, unlike the Tab S4 that came with an older processor. There's a dual camera at the back, 13-megapixel main camera with a 5-megapixel ultra-wide camera with a 123-degree field of view. It brings a lot of improvements to the S Pen as well. Now it has Bluetooth, just like the one in the Galaxy Note 9, so it does everything the S Pen on the Note 9 does. So you can click pictures with it or use it to change the slides during presentations. Also, there's a new feature called S Pen Air Actions, which will let you control the multimedia content on the tablet even when it's not in your hands. It has a 7040 mAh battery, 6 or 8 gigs of RAM, quad stereo speakers tuned by AKG, and in-display fingerprint scanner. But there's no headphone jack, and Samsung won't provide dongles in the box either. It's priced at $650 for the base variant, and the release date will be late August. Of course, with that being said, if you want to keep updated with all the Note 10 coverage, then please consider subscribing. And as always, I'll see you all tomorrow. Peace out.